Hey there, my name is Ben Frear. I'm an immigration lawyer for entrepreneurs. And today I want to chat with you about a topic that recently created a bit of a hiccup for one of my clients. I'm sharing this so you can steer clear of similar issues. We're talking about working remotely in the US in B2 visitor status. We all know that remote work has really taken off since the pandemic, completely changing how businesses run and how we approach our jobs. Initially, it was all about health and safety, keeping things going during lockdowns and social distancing. But as time went on, what started as a temporary fix turned into a long-term plan for many companies. Both employers and employees found a lot to love about remote work. More flexibility, no more long commutes, and a much better work-life balance. Thanks to technology, working from anywhere became a breeze. Video calls, collaboration tools, and cloud software made it easy to stay productive and connected no matter where you were in the world. This shift has really changed workplace culture. Many companies now have flexible work policies, letting people choose where and when they work based on what suits them best. So remote work is generally pretty great, but here's where it gets tricky in the world of immigration. A lot of folks think that if they're working for a foreign employer, they can just pop over to the US in B2 visitor status and keep working remotely. There's a rumor that as long as you're not getting paid by a US employer, you're in the clear. Sadly, that's just not true. B2 status is meant for temporary visits for things like tourism, visiting family or friends, or medical treatment. It doesn't cover employment, whether it's for a domestic or a foreign employer. Working remotely for a foreign employer while in the US in B2 status is considered unauthorized employment. This violation could lead to future visa denials. Unfortunately, one of my clients recently found this out the hard way. She was planning to apply for the E2 visa, and she was working for her foreign company remotely from within the US while in B2 status. A colleague had told her it was fine, but it wasn't. When she applied for the visa, she had to disclose this information, which led to a denial. Now, thankfully, we were able to successfully reapply after drafting a detailed explanation of the misunderstanding and gathering strong character references from respected leaders in her field. So if you're thinking about working remotely in the US in B2 status, my advice is simple. Don't do it. It's just not worth the risk. And if you have any questions at all about this issue, I recommend that you reach out to one of the many amazing immigration lawyers that you can find across the globe. They can offer guidance that is tailored to your unique situation. I hope this was helpful. If you did find it to be helpful, please give it a like and share it with someone who might benefit from it. Thanks so much for watching.